So check it out. Here's another one of my rescue orphans from eBay. Found this, and along with a Burlington caboose that was in pretty bad shape, but it's good for parts on eBay. Got it pretty reasonable and needed a lot of work though. I had to replace the front coupler. It was missing. All this was rusted. I sanded it all and I cleaned it up nicely, and I gave it a new set of handrails rather than try to paint the old ones that were missing some of the spokes anyway. And I gave it a new horn. I know K-Line didn't put them on all of theirs. I had to straighten the front and rear handrails as well. And I also gave it a 19 volt warm white 5mm LED. I take out that little strip that K-Line puts in there because half the time it doesn't really show a light very good anyway. And the other thing that I got, let me show you if I can, is a K-Line double searchlight. I love these things. I love the K-Line searchlight, especially the revolving ones anyway. It had all kinds of dust, so I cleaned that up. And it was missing, the only thing it was missing was the little guy that operates it back. And I found another guy that looks pretty good back there, so I glued him in. So I thought we'd take these for a spin, and you can check them out. Here we go. And there's a K-Line Corning car and a Lionel one. Live here in Corning, and I've worked for Corning, so those always kind of fascinated me. One of the keys to getting the searchlights to light up good is to make sure you clean the roller pickups. I polish them with a Dremel polishing bit and polish the wheels too. 5mm LED fits right inside that headlight opening there and looks so much better than what K-Line put in them. So it was quite a project getting this straightened out, but I got it running really good. I'll turn the camera just a little more that way. Amazing how big those searchlight cars are too, how long they are. And we'll pick the camera up this time around. And give it a little, for the 250th, Lionel, I think that's a Norfolk and Western caboose I have there. And the K-Line S2 has dual motors and traction tires on both, so it pulls pretty good. For as light as they are, they pull pretty decently, and they run great. In bad a shape as it was, I was a little concerned that maybe the board was burned on it, but it's not. I paid $25 for the double searchlight car, which I thought was pretty decent. And like I said, all I was missing was the guy. I'm hoping to find a source for those. We got a couple of them that are missing them. So anyway, we got it running good. The lights work really good, and the searchlight car is just really neat. So thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.